Hi there, me again. I want to show you how to make this kind of picture in text image using a clipping mask. Let's get rid of the image and get started, and let's show you what you do. So I'm going to start by opening up an image of like an autumn road thing. Okay, I'm going to unlock this image. I'm going to make a new image layer, which I'm going to call black. Checking I've got my colour picker set to black. I'm just going to fill the layer with black, which you can't see because it's underneath my autumn layer. Then I'm going to create some text. I've got my font, I think, set to 300, and my colour is black for it. And I'm just going to type out autumn, all in capitals. I'm using Sans Ultra Bold, and I'm just going to position this about there. I'd put it in the center, but if I'll get it over this tree and have a big black edge on it, which will spoil the effect. Once I'm happy with my text, I need to put it beneath the autumn layer. Then, with the autumn leaves picture selected, I'm going to right click on it and choose Create Clipping Mask. And it really is as easy as that. We have the option that if we select the text layer, we can move this around, and it moves around, revealing different parts of the image any way you like. Equally, I think we can probably move the image around as well. Now, if select that, auto select keeps turning back on. So again, I can move this picture around in the background as well and find a more scenic part of it if I'm so inclined. Thank you for watching.